So Lauren, now we've switched roles and it looks like we have you on the bed this time. And Tina is going to be sitting in the doctor's chair, if you will. What we're trying to establish at this point is, what if you had someone, say, who was a smaller in stature as opposed to someone who was taller like Lauren when it comes to the bed positioning? You certainly want to ensure that that bed height is going to work well for the surgeon. And in this case, another thing we have to also make reference to is the seating arrangement. So the seat that we were trying initially with Tina, the seat pan didn't necessarily allow for Tina to kind of lean forward to get into a neutral position of her spine, and particularly her cervical spine. So we suggested that she try the saddle chair. And how does that one feel for you, Tina?
This feels much more comfortable where I'm allowed to lean in more.
And that's that benefit of the saddle chair, once again, that it does have that angled front piece of the seat pan. So what that ends up doing is allows her hips to splay a little bit further opened, allows her to lean forward, and in this case, it's a good application for this particular type of positioning.